In every legacy, there is the one, the catalyst for change. In the fabric of life, two threads weave distinct stories.
Try to not come home late tonight.
Those who shape the world, and those shaped by it. We all face that defining moment, a relentless gaze upward at daunting heights, downward at encroaching shadows, and sideways at paths both taken and untaken. This is where many find their limits.
Be honest. When was the last time you felt like the man that you were meant to be? You used to be stronger, more confident, more capable, but somewhere along the way, you lost your way. Your fitness, man, that got left far behind. And now, you feel it. The exhaustion, the lack of energy. You were built to be a provider, a protector, a leader. But you can't lead from a place of weakness. A warrior doesn't wait until the battle to train. He stays ready. Your body is the foundation of your strength. So if you're tired of feeling weak, it's time to take back control. DM the word leader, and let's rebuild the man that you were meant to be.
Yet there exists the one, the undeterred, the resilient, those rare souls who view each challenge as a crucible for growth, each setback a setup for a comeback. They are the defiant ones who don't just meet expectations but expand them, who transform barriers into gateways and redefine the realms of possibility. They see beyond the ordinary, understanding that true strength is forged in adversity, and that real change is born from resilience. Like the phoenix that rises from its ashes, they are reborn stronger with each trial, not just surviving, but thriving amid the challenges that life presents. When the walls rise high, they find the strength to climb. When the waters surge, they learn to swim. When the past calls, they move forward. In every family, in every story, there is the one who rises above past mistakes, regrets, and failures, proving that it is never too late to change the narrative. Will you be the one?